Super Easy Drawings. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today I am going to draw and color Pocoyó cuddling with his teddy bear. Let's start drawing. I start with Pocoyó's eyes, which are closed. Then I draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I draw his head. He is wearing a hat. Now I start to draw his face. Next to his face, I draw the head of his cute teddy bear. I draw Pocoyó's arms around it. Now I'll draw the details of the teddy bear. Finally, I draw Pocoyó's legs. He is sitting on the ground. Now I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to color Pocoyó's skin with this cream marker. Light red. His outfit is blue, so I am going to color his hat with this blue marker. I color the teddy bear with this brown marker. Aw, he looks so cute! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.